On today's For Your Health, we sit down with hormone specialist Dr. Robbie Robinson from Prosper Health and Aesthetics, now opening their newest location right here in Grand Prairie, Texas. Dr. Robbie Robinson, thank you for being here. You flew all the way in to South Lake, Texas just to have this conversation. I have been wanting to pick your brain for a while. Are you ready?
I am ready.
You have so much under one roof, which I think is genius. Overall wellness, aesthetics, hormones, functional medicine. What are you finding with your patients, the thing that is getting people to finally take control of their overall health?
I think one of the biggest and most important things that we do at our clinic is tons of education. So a lot of people present with symptoms, but they don't even realize that they're having them, or they know that they're having them, but they don't know where to go to get help. So by providing tons of education and just putting it at a level that our patients can understand.
So you're really empowering people.
Yes, that's
Knowledge
the
is
goal.
power. You're empowering them. So I understand that as well on my own hormone journey. Menopause, the whole gamut, and aging. Getting used to an ever-changing face, ever-changing energy. So when someone comes in and they're not really sure, what is the very first step that they would take with you?
Basically, it's just breaking down the problems. So we have to take a step-by-step approach where we look back at when things were starting to change and be able to correlate that with what's happening now. And so then we can kind of create a timeline, and that'll give us a good idea of where to start looking based on their age, what they've been doing in their life. It would be other things such as like chemicals they've been exposed to during those years. And we're able to take all that information and come up with a testing plan where we're able to get the testing done. And then hopefully we can find a root cause to the issues that are happening.
So chemicals. I spritz just a tiny little bit of perfume now. I don't throw it on my lymph nodes anymore, like spray it like we used to. A lot of conversation about endocrine disruptors. So are you finding, because of the foods, the chemicals, menopause, perimenopause, a lot of these hormonal changes are starting earlier in young women because of all of the toxins?
Yes, and not just women, but also men.
Really?
We're seeing a lot of 18 to 25-year-old men come in. A lot of them are coming in just to have their blood work checked because they just want a good baseline of where they're at. But the number, I would say it's probably 1 in 5 men under 25 have low testosterone. And the trouble is...
Isn't that supposed to be their peak?
That's supposed to be their peak, their best time of their life.
Wow.
And so the trouble is they're having all the symptoms, they just are masking them by either drinking or eating too much or just not taking care of themselves. So they blame it on other things like, oh, I don't feel good because I ate bad. But in reality, they don't feel good because their testosterone is 200. And so the trouble also with younger men that still want to have children is you can't treat them with testosterone itself. So we have to come up with combinations of supplements to get their testosterone levels up.
Wow, so that is why it's important that you have this, let's call it a one-stop shop.
Correct.
My mind is blown. I've learned so much today. Thank you so much. You're a wealth of knowledge. Your passion is contagious. And I'm just really grateful that you're here. You are helping the planet really just raise the collective consciousness, the awareness, the education, all of it, so that we can all live better lives. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you, Tiffany, and thank you for having me on today.
Absolutely. If you are interested in scheduling an appointment with Prosper Health and Aesthetics, give them a call or see more at prosperwellspa.com. Here's to better health and living.